Welcome to the top best. The Best Soup Cookbooks is probably one of the most heartwarming companions for anyone who loves to cook and eat. In this video, we're diving into the best-selling soup cookbooks, exploring the diverse world of flavors, from classic chicken noodle to exotic Thai coconut. We'll explore what makes these cookbooks stand out, from the simplicity of their recipes to the stunning photography that inspires every home cook. Number 5. Blue Zone's Kitchen, 100 Recipes to Live to 100. Have you ever wondered how people live to be over 100 years old? This book reveals the secrets of the blue zones, where people live the longest, healthiest lives. It offers a culinary journey to a longer, more vibrant life. Inside, you'll find 100 delicious recipes inspired by the blue zones. These recipes are designed to nourish your body and promote longevity. They are easy to follow and packed with flavor. The recipes emphasize plant-based ingredients and whole foods. This approach to eating is linked to numerous health benefits. It's a simple way to improve your overall well-being. This book isn't just about recipes, it's about a lifestyle. It provides insights into the habits and practices of the world's longest-lived people. It helps you understand how to fuel your body for a long and healthy life. Ready to transform your health and well-being? This book is your guide to a longer, healthier life. It's time to embrace the Blue Zone's lifestyle and start your journey to 100 today. What we like. This cookbook emphasizes recipes for a long and healthy life. It features delicious, plant-based dishes inspired by the world's longest-lived populations. If you are looking for recipes that prioritize health and wellness, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The recipes hail from the fabled Blue Zones, places like Sardinia, Okinawa, and Nicoya, where people somehow outsmart death while making meals that are surprisingly low on kale but high on flavor. It's filled with vibrant, plant-based dishes that make you realize beans are not just a side dish, they're the main event. The recipes aren't preachy. You're not required to meditate while stirring the soup or perform yoga poses between courses. It's all about creating wholesome, satisfying food that nourishes without making you feel like you've been banished to a life of quinoa and sadness. Number 4. Taste of Home Soups, Stews and More. Are you looking for delicious and easy-to-make comfort food recipes? This book is packed with over 325 recipes. It offers a wide variety of options, from soups and stews to other tasty dishes. Each recipe comes with beautiful photos, making it easy to see what the final dish should look like. The images will inspire you to create amazing meals. You'll love the visual guide. Inside, you'll find helpful tips and tricks to make cooking even easier. These handy guides will help you improve your cooking skills. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. This book is part of the Taste of Home Comfort Food series. It's designed to bring warmth and deliciousness to your kitchen. It's a must-have for anyone who loves home-cooked meals. From hearty soups to flavorful stews and more, it has something for everyone. It's a great way to explore new recipes and enjoy classic favorites. Get ready to enjoy some amazing food. What we like. This book offers a wide variety of comforting soup and stew recipes. It includes beautiful photos and helpful cooking tips. If you like classic, home-style cooking with visual guidance, you should consider this one. What people say. There is a lot of variety of soups and stews in this book. Ingredients are easy to find and instructions are very clear. The pictures help considerably to know what the outcome should look like. It has a huge collection of recipes which you can adjust and modify to your taste. This book gives you something for everyone, even chilies. The recipes are easy and easy to read. All the chapters are broken down by the main ingredient. Number 3. Ramen Obsession, Master Japanese Ramen. Are you a ramen enthusiast? This is the ultimate guide for you. It covers everything you need to know about making delicious Japanese ramen. This book will teach you the secrets of authentic ramen. It provides detailed instructions and tips to help you create the perfect bowl. Discover a variety of ramen recipes and techniques. It explores different regional styles and flavor combinations. Learn how to make the perfect broth, noodles, and toppings. It guides you through each step of the process, ensuring a satisfying result. Get ready to elevate your ramen game. This book is your key to unlocking the delicious world of Japanese ramen. Enjoy your meal. What we like. This is the ultimate guide to mastering the art of Japanese ramen. It provides in-depth knowledge and techniques. If you are a ramen enthusiast eager to create authentic bowls at home, it's a must-have. What people say. This book is so well crafted and gives you the importance of each component of making the best ramen at home. Chapter 1 will guide you through ingredients that are synonymous to Japanese ramen and the basics of cooking such components. Chapter 2 will list the basics of making great ramen, like making your own noodles, either basic ramen noodles or a GF version made of rice. Second is the broth. Third is the tear, where a salty umaminess coming from 5 types. Fourth is types of proteins and other toppings that goes when preparing ramen. Fifth is a seasoned oil that accompanies when eating ramen. All of the recipes are easy to make and easy to follow instructions. All of them can be made at your own home. The third big chapter lists unique recipes of ramen. Would say more than 75 kinds of it. Number 2. One-Pan Cookbook for Men, 100 Easy Recipes. Are you looking for a way to simplify your cooking? This cookbook is designed for you. It offers 100 easy, single skillet recipes, perfect for stepping up your cooking game. This book features a variety of delicious meals, all cooked in one pan. It's designed to save you time and reduce cleanup, making cooking more enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced cook, this cookbook has something for everyone. It provides clear instructions and simple techniques to help you create amazing meals. Each recipe is designed to be straightforward and easy to follow. You'll find that preparing delicious meals has never been easier with this book. This cookbook is tailored for men who want to cook without the fuss. It's a great resource for anyone looking to improve their cooking skills and enjoy delicious, home-cooked meals. What we like. This cookbook focuses on easy, one-pan meals. It's designed to simplify cooking with minimal cleanup. If you have a busy lifestyle and want quick, delicious meals, it's ideal for you. What people say. Nice pictures and well written. Easy to follow recipes with uncomplicated ingredients. Tasty recipes. Good recipes, my boyfriend uses it all the time. He has made a few dishes and they were delicious. Number 1. The Soup Book, 200 Recipes, Season by Season. Are you looking for the perfect soup for any season? This book has you covered. It offers a wide variety of recipes to satisfy your cravings. With 200 recipes, this book provides options for every taste and occasion. It's organized by season, making it easy to find the perfect soup. Whether you prefer classic comfort foods or innovative creations, this book has something for everyone. It includes detailed instructions and helpful tips. This book is ideal for both casual weeknight dinners and special gatherings. It's a must-have for any soup lover. Get ready to elevate your soup game with this comprehensive cookbook. It's your ultimate guide to creating delicious and satisfying soups all year round. What we like. This book offers a wide variety of soup recipes for every season. It provides a diverse collection of recipes to enjoy throughout the year. If you like exploring different soup styles and seasonal ingredients, it's a great choice. What people say. Recipes are arranged by season. The ingredients are not too complicated nor lengthy. Also has great photos. Recipes seem to be easy to follow. It breaks down soup recipes season by season. That means that whatever vegetables or meat is in season, the book will cover it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.